back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley, and in this channel I make lifestyle, cleaning, and thrifting videos. Today I am doing a clean with me video. It's a spring cleaning video. I have a lot to do today and it is already, I think, like 1 in the afternoon. I have a lot to clean. I haven't really cleaned all day. Literally, my house looks like a mess. But I wanted to do a cleaning video because I haven't done those in a while. And what great way to start spring. It's already spring here in Japan, and I thought what great way to start spring than with a cleaning video to start fresh, clean everything out, and then redecorate a more fresh and like open spaced way. I don't know. This year I want to do more neutrals and more whites. I love, you guys know I love white, white furniture, white everything. So I want to do more of a like clean, I don't know, French farmhouse cozy cottage feel. So let me turn you guys around so I can show you what I'm talking about because it's really dirty. Here it is. This is our dining table right now. There's DIYs, there's food, there's stuff on the floor. The kitchen is dirty. And then there's more stuff I want to organize. I made this sign. It's so adorable for a front porch. And I also made this one right here. So cute. Anyway, this is all the mess that we have. I got a new Dyson and I still have the freaking box there. There's more decor over here. Sorry about the lighting. There's another sign back there. There's a lot of like a lot of mess in the living room. This is you guys don't even understand how dirty it is. There's laundry over there. Everything is clean. I was gonna clean everything and like put everything away and organize it, but it's really dirty, so I'm gonna clean everything. I'll take you guys along with me, and then that's it. And then after this I want to upload a spring decorate with me. If you follow me, if you're not following me on my Instagram, on my home decor Instagram, it's called The Cozy Cottage Co. I am very active there. I'm always posting decor ideas and rearranging and doing DIYs and all that stuff. So if you want to see more of my house and the decorations I do or restyling and stuff, then make sure that you follow me on my Instagram account. But other than that, let's go ahead and start cleaning because I really need to get to it.
One day Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a
my kids.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you, who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when